1, 2, 3. Go! Hello mga kamags! Ito po yung
Excuse me, mga kagors.
Bale, cut. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello mga kagors! This is my review to Sir Kim. If Sir Kim will create a dance presentation, this is the signature move of Sir Kim. Like, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Again, dili mao. Dili mo anak.
Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Hello mga kagors, ito po yung review ko. Unahin po natin ang dance move signature ni Sir Kim. Alam niyo po ba kung ano yun? Hanggang dito ba naman yung bag tayo? And 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is the move of Sir Kim. And for Sir Edward, the signature move every time he will create a dance presentation, always have like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know what for Sir Taba naman? Ang Sir Taba naman, in terms of discipline in the dance presentation, that Sir Taba will create these gestures. Number 1, it should be in first. It should be, mata po yung mukha mo, tapos lagyan mo na ng kamay, dito. Automatic yan. Go back to the, babalik ka sa unang formation. O kumbaga, from the top, from the beginning until the end. Pag may konting mali, ganyan. Ganyan. Oh, that is the first.
Let's go to the expression.
And this is the expressions of the individual teachers here. You know what? Go there. If Sir Kim will walk and something that he is angry, the expression is like this. This would be the expression of Sir Kim. Let's. And for, you know what, for Jumebo, in short, Sir Jose Bonifacio, talaga pagiging tatahan ha. Close. You know what, pag? Magagalit. That is Sir JD. For Sir Kim, let's. Sa kanya naman is Oto! And for me, my gesture is, you know what, among them all, I am the most humble person.
Sorry, sister.
Sister? Wala na, sister. Iawatan ako si Kiso. Ito man na ako ang sugo ni Sir Kim, sister. Ako daw ang sugo sa Diyos. Oo. 65. Yes, sister. Ako pong gifano, sister. So, next year, sister. Ako paano? Sorry, sister.
Bayan.
Kalimut ko naman si bisita. Sige, check mo. Bye mga kagors.
Ha? Bye mga kagors. Ayun na po. Nagpagalitan po kami. Ayun, ito. Hello everyone. So if you're going to drink Nutri Boost, this is the effect.